Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring the role of enzymes as biological catalysts in metabolic reactions. So, let's dive right in.
The chemical reactions that take place in a cell are controlled by a group of proteins called enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts. A catalyst is a chemical which speeds up a reaction without being used up itself. Cells contain hundreds of different enzymes, each catalyzing a different reaction. The chemical reactions taking place in a cell are known as metabolic reactions. The sum of all the metabolic reactions is known as the metabolism of the cell. The function of enzymes is to catalyze metabolic reactions. Now, why are enzymes needed at all? They are necessary because the temperatures inside organisms are low, and without catalysts, most of the reactions that happen in cells would be far too slow to allow life to go on. The reactions can only take place quickly enough when enzymes are present to speed them up. The molecule that an enzyme acts on is called substrate. Each enzyme has a small area on its surface called the active site. The substrate attaches to the active site of the enzyme. Enzymes also catalyze reactions where large molecules are built up from smaller ones. In this case, several substrate molecules attach to the active site. The reaction takes place and the larger product molecule is formed. The product then leaves the active site and the enzyme is free to act on more substrate molecules. The substrate fits into the active site of the enzyme like a key fitting into a lock. Just as a key will only fit one lock, a substrate will only fit into the active site of a particular enzyme. This is known as the lock and key model of enzyme action.
Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.